Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that plagues a lot of small business owners. Accounting software. We all know QuickBooks is a big name, but let's be honest, it can be expensive, especially for those just starting out. So, the question is there something cheaper, something that might even be free that can get the job done just as well? The importance of accounting software. Before we jump into the alternatives, let's take a quick step back. Why is accounting software even important? Well, if you're running a business, even a small one, keeping track of your finances is crucial. You need to know how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and where it's all going. This is where accounting software comes in. It helps you automate tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and generating reports. It can save you a ton of time and headaches, especially as your business grows. But like I said, QuickBooks can be pricey. Depending on your needs, you could be looking at a monthly subscription fee that can put a dent in your budget. So what are the options? Free accounting software solutions. Let's explore some free alternatives. Now, free doesn't always mean perfect. There can be limitations, but for many small businesses, they might be a great starting point. Here are a few options to consider. Wave. This is a popular choice for freelancers and solopreneurs. It offers features like invoicing, expense tracking, and receipt scanning. It integrates with some popular payment processors too, which is a plus. However, there are limitations on the number of clients and invoices you can manage with the free plan. Key features of Wave. Completely free with no hidden fees. Easy invoicing and receipt management. Integrates with popular payment gateways. Limited features compared to paid options. Zoho Books. This is another solid option, especially if you're looking for something that integrates well with other Zoho products like CRM or project management. The free plan offers basic accounting features like invoicing, bank reconciliation, and financial reports. But again, there are limitations on the number of transactions and invoices you can create. Key features of Zoho Books. User-friendly interface. Integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products. CRM, inventory management. Strong mobile app for on-the-go invoicing and expense tracking. Robust inventory management features. Paid plans. Free Agent. This is a UK-based software that's gaining traction worldwide. It offers a user-friendly interface and features like invoicing, expense tracking, and project management tools. The free plan is quite limited, but it can be a good option for freelancers or very small businesses. Key features of Free Agent. Project management tools alongside accounting features. Streamlined invoicing for project-based work. Integrates with popular freelance platforms. Limited to basic inventory management. Google Sheets. Believe it or not, you can actually use a simple spreadsheet program like Google Sheets for basic accounting. It's not ideal for complex businesses, but for freelancers or those just starting out, it can be a surprisingly effective way to track income and expenses. There are even free templates available online that can help you get started. These are just a few of the free options available. The best choice for you will depend on the specific needs of your business. Do your research, see what features are most important to you, and don't be afraid to try out a few different options before settling on one. Things to consider when choosing free accounting software. Now, before you jump headfirst into free accounting software, there are a few things to consider. Here are some key points. Limitations. As we mentioned, free software often comes with limitations. There might be restrictions on the number of clients, invoices, or transactions you can manage. Make sure the limitations won't hinder your business growth. Features. Think about what features are most important to you. Do you need invoicing, expense tracking, inventory management? Make sure the free software offers the features you need to run your business smoothly. Security. Free software might not have the same level of security as paid options. Make sure your chosen software has good security measures in place to protect your financial data. Scalability. If you plan on growing your business, consider how well the free software will scale with you. Will you eventually need to upgrade to a paid plan? By carefully considering these factors, you can choose a free accounting software solution that meets your needs without breaking the bank.